Hey guys, we're here on the beach. We're here on the bay. And oh my god! And it's very windy. I'm getting pushed back. Here's my grandpa. Oh god. And the beach is very, oh! Whoa! It's very, very rough out here. Oh, phone. Got it. Oh, jeez. This is, oh, whoa. Seagull! You want to walk farther down? Alright. Walk a bit farther down. Jeez. It's blowing me to the side. It's not as windy over here. But look how nice it is looking out at the... It looks pretty nice. Oh yeah. I bet there's no horseshoe crab sitting around. Not this time. Just a bunch of stone crabs. I need to jump on it. Is that a coconut? Oh jeez. Okay. What? Look at the seagull out there. That seagull looks like he's struggling. Jeez. It's rough out here. Oh, here's the black sand. Oh, here's a lesson about black, different colored sand. Sand is actually made of stone. So it actually just came from a black stone. Black sand. Whoa. Oh, jeez. It looks really cool. This stuff is glowing. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna get up here. Oh, fuck. Okay. Here we go. How am I gonna get up? Okay. I'm up. I'm up. Dog prints. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Take a seat on the bench and slowly freeze to death.